Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. A lot of you guys have been asking me how to make candied yam, but you don't want to have it the same way that you always have it. You want it with a twist. Let me show you how I made my candied yam in my kitchen with my family. So if you want to see how I do this one, come on and let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Alright guys, let's talk about our ingredients and all the things that I'm going to put into this recipe with a Jamaican twist. Yes guys. Now I have my candied yam right there. I have about 5 pounds there. Wash it, peel it, clean it up nice and cut it up like about in that size like that. And you're ready to go. So that's about 5 pounds right there. What I'm going to be using is 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white granulated sugar. You want to get your coconut milk. So that is the canned coconut milk that I'm using, and that's a half a cup of canned coconut milk. Now to that I'm going to add coconut flakes. I'm also going to put cranberries in it. If you have raisins, you could use raisins. I'm also going to add pineapple, and what I did, I just sliced that stuff like that. That's small. You don't want to make it no bigger than that. And then to turn it up a notch with flavor, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and allspice goes in. A pinch of salt, not too much. And then you're going to need your vanilla. That's 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 1 stick of butter. Okay, and that totals 8 tablespoons of butter. So let's get started on this recipe. Okay guys, we're moving on to our next step into making the most delicious candied yam you can ever have in your kitchen. Now I have my pot on the fire, and the first thing I'm going to do is add my brown sugar in. That's 1 cup. And then I'm going to add my white granulated sugar. Now if you don't want it this sweet, you could use a little less, but I'm doing 5 pounds of yam, so I'm going to need it with a lot of sweetness to it. I'm going to put 1 stick of butter, and I'm going to allow that to melt. Now you want to make sure that it's melt nice. Okay guys, so basically when it melts and it looks like that, you want to allow it to come to a bubble. Make sure your fire at this point is on low heat. You want to add your cinnamon powder, your allspice, and your nutmeg in. Add your vanilla. Now you want to add your coconut milk in. And guys, do not use box milk. Use fresh coconut or canned coconut for this. Salt to flavor. Now you want to add your cranberry or raisins, your coconut flakes, and your pineapple goes in. Mix that in, and already this is done, so you go ahead and you shut your heat off. Okay guys, just want to go ahead and pour that onto the yams. Okay guys, so this is what my yams look like after it's been cooking for about 40 minutes. Even though it looks tempting to eat, it's not quite ready yet. You just want to go ahead and just mix them around. So put the basically put the bottom at the top on the top of the bottom. There you go guys, all done in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Candied yam with the Jamaican twist. Okay guys, thumbs up, like, and share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.